if you got a Hummer and your brake lights are not working, and obviously the first thing that a lot of people check is the light bulb itself. So after you check the bulbs and you see that they are good, or you end up replacing them and your brake lights still do not work, the next thing to check is your light fuse. A lot of times the fuse goes out, so you can replace the fuse. But if you're completely stuck like I was with this Hummer, I ended up getting new bulbs, checking the fuse, everything was perfect. Like there was nothing wrong with them whatsoever. So what ended up being the issue were the two tiny switches, breakers, whatever you want to call them, underneath the gas pedal. I'm about to show you real quick underneath here. All right, so if you look up, you're gonna see two of these right here. So every time you press the brake pedal down, it releases them, and you see the buttons right here on these things. Let me see. Yeah, on these right here. So every time you press the brake pedal, it releases it, and it does it the same to the next one. There is two of them, and one of them controls the brake light. So if these switches are bad, your brake light is not going to work, even though the fuses are good, even though you got new bulbs. If those things are out, your brake lights will not work whatsoever. So this is how they look like. So check them out right here. And this is the part that goes bad. You hear the click? Yeah, a lot of times, even if they click, they look good on a visual inspection, the internals on them are messed up. So once you switch these out, you go to the junkyard, or you can order some. I'll have a link for them in the description box below. They're dirt cheap, but this is the only way to fix those brake lights. So if you have tried everything, try that, and I promise you your brake lights are going to work. So that is how I solved the brake issue on this Hummer. Hopefully this video has helped you. If so, press the like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below, or if you have any other tips for Hummer owners, drop those in the comments as well. See you in the next one. Peace out.